Hello and welcome to Prime News. We wish all our viewers a happy Chaturthi and now look at the headlines. Goeankaars welcome Bappa with Ghumat Gaaz, nevriyo and modak. Incessant rain fails to dampen spirit of celebration. Order on Rane's anticipatory bail plea questions credibility of bribery case. Order calls the complaint an attempt to settle political score. CM Parrikar ahead of PM Modi in fixing deadlines. Parrikar intends to achieve Modi's all deadlines much before the PM. On Konkan railway route running late by 2 to 18 hours. Passengers face hardships on the occasion of Chaturthi. And Goa Rugby Football Union senior coach David Trotter tells newly certified coaches to focus on bringing the best out of all players. And now the news in detail. Sukhakarta Dukhaharta has arrived in the state. Modak, nevriyo, Ghumat Gaaz, Makar and lots of joy and devotion welcomed Bappa home on Friday. Finally, Bappa fulfilled his promise to come back again. Each house in the state has worn a festive look. Even the incessant rain failed to dampen the spirit of celebration. Have a look.
श्री गजानन महाराज की जय, श्री सातेरी माता की जय, सुख करता दुख
Chaturthi is the most important festival celebrated in Goa. This day marks the birth of Ganpati. Chaturthi usually falls on 4th day of Bhadrapad Shukla Paksha of Hindu calendar. Ganesh idols are installed in every household on Chaturthi morning. Matori, rangoli, lights, flowers, sweets create the festive flavor.
बाप्पाची मूर्ती घराती घेऊन येऊपाची बाप्पा आयलो रे पूजे कलायलो गा गौरी शंकरताच्या साथ.
Besides the religious significance, this is a perfect occasion for families. The nuclear families come along together. Folks from villages who have settled in cities go back to their native place to celebrate the arrival of Bappa. The real way to celebrate the togetherness.
आयली रे चवथ आयली सगळ्याची सगळ्याक धाव धाव झाली घरादारा सगळी रंगान रंगयली बोनेरा तोरणांनी घरा सजली खोशी दिवपाक बाप्पा घरा येता आमच्या मदी बरे विचार पसरवपाक बरे तरेन समाजान आमी वावरूया खोशी दिवपाक बाप्पा घरा येता आमच्या मदी बरे विचार पसरवपाक बरे तरेन समाजान आमी वावरूया बाप्पा सगळ्यांच्या काळजात बसला रे सगळ्यांच्यो कृती बसून तो पळयता रे तेका जाय तशी आमची जीण करूया रे आयली रे चवथ आयली सगळ्याची सगळ्याक धाव धाव झाली घरादारा सगळी रंग.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The order of the CBI court on Pratap Singh and Vishwajit Rane's anticipatory bail plea has questioned the credibility of the bribery case against the accused. The order has come down heavily on the motives behind filing this order. The order also points at an attempt to settle political score through this complaint. Prudent has got a copy of the order. Here's a report.
The order on anticipatory bail pleas of the Ranes has debunked the very basis of the complaint filed against the powerful father-son duo. The order clearly mentions that statements made by the complainant without any base. Main witness has denied meeting any of the accused. Witness is in clear state of mind and not confused. The order further questions the intentions of the complainant behind filing such a complaint. The order reads, "It is obvious that the complainant has awakened from a slumber and has made these allegations only after a report of asking for favor through John Fernandez. There appears to be every possibility that the allegations are made by the complainant with Fernandez to settle some political score with the accused." The order also states that there is no substance in the complaint. It also mentions that prima facie the allegations do not appear to have any basis. The judgment also says that both Vishwajit and Pratap Singh Rane are not members of the ruling party, and as such, possibility of them influencing the case is bleak. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Seems like Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is in race with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in fixing deadlines. Parrikar is seen challenging Modi's every deadline. Whether it is garbage-free India or Jan Dhan scheme, CM wants to beat every deadline of the PM. Modi's target of Clean India by 2019 has been challenged by PWD Minister Sudhin Daulikar. Goa government plans to achieve it by 2017.
Narendra Modi has been planning new schemes for Indians since he took over as the Prime Minister. Modi has put deadlines for his own self. He has also mentioned the completion year of his targets. But Goa government wants to achieve Modi's targets much before Modi's deadlines.
तो गरीबी को से मुक्ति पानी है तो हमें फाइनेंशियल अनटचेबिलिटी से भी मुक्ति पानी होगी। मैंने कहा भाई इस झंडा वंदन से अगले झंडा वंदन तक हमको काम करना है। 15 अगस्त को झंडा वंदन किया और योजना घोषित की, 26 जनवरी को इसको पूरा करें अपन।
The same concept which on national level Prime Minister has expressed, Goa we had started doing it 10-11 years back, and its results, because of that 90% is already covered in Goa.
What does this mean?
30,000 out of 3,50,000 is less than 10%. So 90% we are already covered. 10% जो बचा है, mostly these are migrants who have come and settled in Goa, so they don't have that many of the scheme, they are not eligible for those schemes, so इसके लिए और they are out of that. उनको cover कर ले तो it's a good concept, and I think if nationally we can do it by 26 January, why can't we do it in 1 month in Goa?
This is happening since the time Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of the country. Parrikar has also challenged Modi's deadlines to make Clean India. Modi said it will be done by 2019. Parrikar has also taken up the challenge to complete it by 2015.
जी आम्ही फिजिकल गार्बेज रस्त्याच्या कडेक दिसता हांवें ठरयल्लें आसा मोदीजीन 2019 दवरला टार्गेट हांवें 2015 ची 19 डिसेंबर टार्गेट दवरलेली आसा गोंय सगळें चकचकीत 19 डिसेंबर 2015 पर्यंत करतलो आनी खंयच कचरो दिसचो ना हाजी हांव दक्षता घेतलो.
PWD Minister Sudhin Daulikar has also taken inspiration from the CM. He wants to beat Modi in total sanitation campaign. Modi has targeted 2019. Sudhin aims to complete it by 2017.
आम्ही पहिले 3 स्टेजीस आसा जे सॅनिटेशन संबंध गोंयांत कंप्लीट केला. डिफेकेशन जे भायर संडास करता ते 2019 पर्यंत बंद जावपाक जाय अशें ह्या सरकाराचें ध्येय आसा आनी प्रायम मिनिस्टरान 15 ऑगस्टाक हे सुतोवाच केला. त्या प्रमाणे आम्ही 2017 पर्यंत हे कंप्लीट करपाक सोदता.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.